Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe of one of my most favorite things that I like, and that is scones. Scones are very popular in England and they're normally had for high tea. But I love them throughout the day, be it breakfast, lunch, dinner or high tea. And they're super yummy and they're super delicious to eat also. So let's get started. For this superbly delicious scones, we will be using flour, we will be using baking powder, sugar, butter. I have cream here. I have used dairy cream, which is Amul. I have buttermilk, I have vanilla essence, and I have orange rind. I have white chocolate which has been chopped, and we have chopped cranberries. I will take the flour, to which I will add the baking powder and just mix it around with the whisk so that it is well incorporated into the flour. If you find it easier, you can even sieve it after you have put the baking powder inside. Once we've done this, we will keep it aside and we will start with the next step. In a bowl, I will take the butter and the sugar, the vanilla essence, and I will start creaming this. Once it has creamed till it is nice and fluffy, I will add in the orange rind and mix it for a minute. To this, I will add the flour and baking powder which I had mixed and kept aside, and I will just start whisking it around. As I am whisking, as you can see, we will get this texture which is like a breadcrumb texture. This is what we are looking at. Thoroughly mixed, and it's like the whole mixture, as you can see, is like a breadcrumb texture. Now to this, I will put in the cream and I will put in the buttermilk. Very gently, I am just going to fold this just till we get a little dough. Now this, as you can see, is slightly liquidy, I would say. To this, we can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour to get it a little more set consistency. As you can see, I just put in a little flour and just gently stir it so that the dough comes together. As you can see, this is like a very soft dough, and this is what we want for the scones. Now to this mixture, we will add the white chocolate which is chopped, and we will add the cranberry and just gently mix it around. Now as you can see, this dough is mixed well. Now we want to this dough to be easy to handle. So what I normally do at this stage is I put it into the deep freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So later when I need to shape and cut these, this dough will be much easier to handle. Dough has been in the fridge for some time. It's done. What I will do is, I have a bowl of flour. I will take a lot of flour, about 2 handfuls, and just spread it on the table. I will empty the dough. Once I have emptied the dough, I will take another handful of flour and put it on top. Then with my hands, very gently, I will start spreading it. I want it to be approximately about 1 inch in thickness. I have got it to the thickness of about 1 inch. I have a 2-inch round cutter which I will dip in the flour and just press it and make an indent. Now using the cutter itself, I will lift it and keep it on a baking tray which I have greased. I will repeat this for the balance of the dough. The scones are all cut and ready to be baked. These will be baked in a 180-degree oven for about 20 to 24 minutes till they are nice and golden, and when you just knock on them, they are slightly hollow to the feel.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।